Oh, hey, I didn't notice you there. Welcome back to another amazing vlog. Today we're going to be talking about some things. I don't know what you want from me, but we're going to talk about them. Alright, so I bought a fidget spinner. I don't know why, but I saw other people doing it on YouTube, and I was thinking to myself, like, whoa, bro, what's that, man? Like, why are all these little 13-year-olds buying all these, well, let me get a zoom. Focus. Oh, this camera sucks. Alright, anyways, yeah, these stupid fucking things. Oh, look, it's spin. I don't know why people do it. Oh, man. Oh, it looks so weird. Oh, alright, so this is the container. Fuck, man. This is the container it came in. It's kind of hard to open with one hand. GoPro mount broke. You guys didn't get to see that video. The shit got corrupted. Here we go. And there it is. It's got a pretty cool case. Hold on, let me make this. Let me use a different surface. It's the same surface. Shit, forgot. Well, hopefully you can see the black there. Lighting's kind of off in here, but the blue you can see it. Oh, look at that. That looks neat. Super cool, right? I'm a cool chill dude. Like, I made a thing. Oh, I can feel the autism rising. Wait. Oh. I wonder if I like hit myself in the face with this, if it would hurt. I doubt it. It is metal. Huh. So now you're probably wondering to yourself, like, why would someone go out and buy one of those things? I don't know. I did it for fucking ad. Alright. So we're gonna see how long this thing can spin for before like it stops or something. So, hold on. I gotta find the spot. Oh yeah, I don't know why I'm not using the TV. Alright, there we go. Okay. Oh fuck, hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I had to find a chair and also my beer. Alright. Here we go. There's one spin. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa, it's so exciting. And what the fuck? It stopped. Okay, hold on. Let's do that again. And spin. Oh, look at there. Oh, man. It's somewhat impressive. What's wrong with kids nowadays? Oh, fuck. Let's do it one more time. Hey, look, we did it. We got it to go all the way. So, like, yeah, that's one of these things. Don't buy them. Just don't do it. Save yourself. Save yourself. Alright. There we go. That's really it. Oh, God. That's kind of it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's been a minute. Oh, fuck. Hold on 1 second. It's been a while since I made one. So, yeah. It's all over.